Hello, Tony here. So in today's video, we'll be talking about Fiverr gig ranking for new sellers on Fiverr. Okay, and Fiverr gig ranking starts with keyword research, targeting a keyword. So in today's video, I'm going to review to you how to find those low competition keywords that will ensure you pull in traffic, which will convert to sales as a new seller. So your best bet to ranking your Fiverr gig as a new seller is in the low competition keywords, and this is what I'm going to be showing you in this video. So without further shalaye, let's get to the video. Okay, what's up guys, you're welcome to this very video. So this is what we are talking about today: how to find low competition keywords for new sellers on Fiverr. Trust me, this topic, I can never stress this enough. It is very, very important to you making sale as a new seller on Fiverr. Okay, so before we dive into this video, I know this is your first time watching me. For those of you that are first time viewers here, okay, so please subscribe, do these three things: subscribe, like, and comment. If you do any of these three things I asked you for right now, YouTube will recommend my videos, more people will see my videos, and will grow as a community right here on YouTube. Okay, so please do these three things for me. Have you done it? Thank you so much. So let's get to the video. Okay, so you might be asking, why low competition keywords? Why do I get to talk about it every time? Okay, so the reason is this: as a new seller, you need low competition keywords to be able to make sales, at least to increase your chances. Okay, so I want to show you something. Let's go over to Fiverr, just an illustration, okay, to buttress my point. So if I go on, okay, let me type logo design. Okay, logo design is a keyword. Look at Fiverr auto suggested this keyword, logo design. Okay, is a keyword, mind you, is a keyword. Okay, so this keyword alone, this keyword called logo design, comes with 174,000 services on this particular keyword. Okay, and if you check, people on the first page, okay, people on this first page, this is a first page of Fiverr. Let me show you what I mean by first page. Okay, people here, okay, you see first page, second page, and so on and so forth, and they are up to 174,493 services available. That means people offering this gig on this keyword is so much. Okay, and I want you to see something. If you check people on the first page, you are seeing 1,000 reviews, 5, 59, 75. Okay, this is for studio, ignore this, 600 and something. If you check, okay, if you check people on this first page, hardly will you see anybody. These are rising talents, so they are selected by Fiverr, so ignore these ones. If you check, okay, apart from studio, top rated seller, pro people, okay, you see that people on this particular niche keyword has a high number of reviews, to chances to be able to come up here. This person has 5, but let me open it up and show you why this person is here in the first place. Okay, okay, so this person, I don't know, this person might be doing something nice for him to be here, but majority of people here has huge number of reviews to the account. Okay, so if you are a new seller and sign up and try targeting this keyword while you are setting up your gig, trust me, you'll be pushed to the bottom of this search. Okay, because the competition here is crazy. So what do? You go for keywords that are related to logo design but less competitive. Okay, so less competition. Why you go for low competition keywords is for you to be able to have chances of ranking higher on the search. Okay, so then before I dive into the next step, because you are here to find out how to find low competition keywords for new sellers, okay, I want you to please go on this tool. We'll be needing this tool called Keyword Everywhere. Okay, so just go on Google, type keyword everywhere. Okay, it's a Chrome extension, so make sure you're on your Chrome browser. Okay, so just click on extension. Sorry, extension. Okay, so here is it. Okay, it's a Chrome extension, so you need to install it. Please, you need to install it. Okay, when you add it to your this thing, I have already added it, so that's why you are not seeing remove from Chrome. Okay, so add it, sign up, validate the API, okay, and all those stuff. Just make sure it works. Okay, so after installing it, then come here. Okay, turn it up. You can make it appear here, as you can see. This is it. Make it appear here. Okay, so it make sure it works. It appears here, isn't it? And put on this. It puts this on. Okay, all right. So having done this, let's go over to Fiverr. This is our topic, right? I'll show you how to find low competition keywords for new sellers right now. So you go over to Fiverr, you search logo design, right? And you see that the competition is crazy, isn't it? So we'll search for a low competition keyword. First of all, we will use Fiverr. Okay, you use Fiverr for this. So just type logo. Okay, logo. Watch, you see it suggested so many logos. Okay, services related to logo. So let's say logo, gaming logo. Let's see. Do you guys see gaming logo? This particular keyword is 4,699 services available. Okay, and you see people here are the competition here is less. Competition here is less. Okay, do you guys see it? Okay, so then I want to show you something that you have never seen before, like a step further in finding low competition keywords. Okay, using this particular tool, keyword everywhere I mentioned. Okay, so as we now see that logo, gaming logo like for game channels, okay, is a keyword on Fiverr with over 4,699 services, and people are searching for it. That's why Fiverr suggested it here on the search. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to know if there is traffic, if traffic is coming to this particular keyword, because it's one thing to have a particular target a particular keyword, is another thing to have particular traffic coming to this gig. So what you want to do is to copy this keyword. Okay, go over to your Google, okay, and paste it, then add Fiverr at the end. Okay, so what I did here is watch. If you watch, you will see that because I have this particular tool called keyword everywhere, okay, you are seeing some statistics. Okay, as you guys can see, you are seeing some statistics, isn't it? On this, do you guys see it? You are seeing some statistics. Okay, so what I want to do is this logo gaming, okay, this particular, which is this URL here, this keyword. Okay, so I want to see the kind of traffic that is coming to this particular page. So I just put my mouse over here, okay, and it says 61. Okay, monthly, which shows that gaming logo. Do you guys see gaming logo? The traffic on this particular gig is low. Although the services are less, okay, but the traffic here is very low. So sales some kind of way will be low. All right. So sales here will kind of be low. So I want to, find another keyword. Okay, and if I want to find another keyword that might have a lot of traffic. Okay, if you search anything on Fiverr, okay, this is another way you can find low competition keyword. The suggestions Fiverr suggested these keywords. You see, logo design, logo animation, logo export, YouTube logo, creative logo design, etc and etc. Okay, so I'll take YouTube logo. Okay, I'll click on YouTube logo as a keyword. Okay, and you guys can see that there are lesser persons offering this gig. The competition is very low. Okay, that means if I have greater chances of being ranking on this keyword if I should go target this keyword as a new seller. Okay, then I want to check if traffic is the traffic here. I want to check if the traffic is much. So let me just go over to my Google. Sorry, okay, I made a mistake. I have to go over to this copy YouTube logo, okay, YouTube logo, and come here and search for it, okay, YouTube logo. Okay, sorry, I didn't include Fiverr. Include Fiverr on the search, okay, include Fiverr, okay. So this is it. This is this particular okay. So did you guys see something right now? Do you guys see? Okay, so this particular keyword, the traffic is pulling from Fiverr. This particular, like the monthly traffic is pulling. Okay, do you guys see? You have 8,500 and something traffic per month is coming here. Do you guys see what I mean? Do you guys see it? Let me. Okay, so you guys see traffic is coming here, like at least it's better than the other one, isn't it? It's better. Okay, so that shows that something is happening. This YouTube logo keyword is worth ranking for. Okay, so you can go for this. Is worth ranking for. All right, so aside from that, let's say, okay, this is another suggested keyword, YouTube thumbnail. Okay, let me look it up. There are over 9,000 services, which is quite okay. So let me copy this, okay, and go over to Google and type this and add Fiverr to it, so that we'll see the traffic that is coming to that particular. Okay, so we see thumbnail design. Okay, that's it. The traffic is not much. Thumbnail is not much. Okay, so I don't think you should go for this, or you can YouTube thumbnails. Okay, but this is not only the parameters. Okay, you can also look up, because the traffic on Fiverr alone is not registered using this particular stuff. Okay, all I'm using this keyword everywhere is just to know if the traffic coming to this particular keyword is worth it. Okay, but you don't all depend on this. You check also, the reviews on this particular keyword research. You check the reviews, the number of sales, guys on the first page, and the others in queue. Okay, the others in queue, you check it out. These are the things you get to check, to be able to determine if that particular keyword is worth it. Okay, as you can see, 10 others in queue, 3 others in queue, which is great. Okay, so let me highlight. So use the keyword everywhere, okay, to find keywords. Then check reviews, okay, on the gigs on first page. Okay, if there are so many reviews on it, then that keyword is worth it. Okay, then you check the number, the other others in queue. Okay, so these 3 things, these are what you consider, okay, before going for a particular low competition keyword. Okay, before you even try to target it. Okay, why you are doing this is to know that this gig, the particular keyword you are going for, okay, is worth it. This particular low competition keyword you are going for is worth it, and it has the traffic that you are looking for. All right, so okay, apart from these ones I just searched, let's try another. Okay, let's try writing. Okay, article. Okay, let's try content writing. Okay, content writer. Okay, let's try it out. Okay, so this keyword content writer has over 25,000 services available, which is fair to me. Okay, but let me copy this and run it all over keyword everywhere. Okay, so we'll see if Fiverr. Okay, so we'll see if traffic is coming to this particular. Okay, no. Mind you, this is, for top 16. This is a blog post. Okay, so this is not what we are looking for. We are looking for categories, underwriting and translation. So this is what we are looking for. So let's see a particular. Okay, so you see this particular. Let me open it up. On Fiverr, this website content as a keyword. Okay, website content as a keyword is, pulling in this amount of traffic. Over 1,000, 1,100 monthly traffic from Google alone, not on Fiverr. Okay, so it is worth giving it a shot. All right, so instead of going for all these, high competition gigs, I have over 59,000 services available on it. Okay, use the search bar, use the suggest, use all this method I just mentioned. Use the auto suggest, then use keyword everywhere to know if it's worth it. Then go over the reviews, the orders in queue, those on the first page, what they have on their particular gigs, and see for yourself. Okay, this is how to find it out. This is how to find low competition keywords. All right, so I hope this video is quite clear to anyone out there watching. Okay, so give it a shot. If you don't give this a shot, if you don't do it, if you don't find out a gig, if you don't start creating gigs now, you won't see results. So start now. Okay, then if you have any question in the comment section, please let me know. In the comment section. I'll appreciate. I'll be there to answer your questions. And do any of these 3 things: subscribe, like, and share. Okay, bye for now. This is Tony saying goodbye for now, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.